What up, good people, man? I'm back with another video. I'm about to make y'all some turkey noodle soup. Had some leftover turkey from Thanksgiving, and I'm gonna show y'all what to do with y'all leftover turkey. Make that good turkey noodle soup, and me show y'all gonna be blazing. Don't never throw away anything, your bones, your scraps. Save your scraps, and I'm gonna show y'all how to make this soup, and it's gonna be good. So first of all, I ain't show y'all cutting my chops, but I cut up some celery and carrots. Got some onions. Then right here is the key. I saved the broth, the stock. So when I cooked the turkey, I had a lot of stock, right? So I saved my stock from my turkey. So that's gonna set my noodles off. I got some oregano, garlic powder, onion powder, red peppers, salt, and pepper. Here go my turkey. I told you I kept the whole turkey bone. I got all these scraps. I still got some regular turkey meat too, but I'm gonna throw this in a bowl. I'm gonna throw this in this pot and let it boil the meat off. I'm thinking I'm gonna add some chicken base just in case. And like I said, when I add the stock, I'm gonna add some water to it. So this is just the beginning. It ain't gonna take long to cook. And then I'm gonna have some, and I won't be throwing away my turkey leftovers. Let's get it popping. So I added a cold stock. You know what I'm saying? I gotta turn the oven on. Let me put it at low heat for right now. Probably like medium heat. So I got the stock in there. I gotta add some water to it. I'm gonna probably add more. I'm gonna add more water in this, but this is the start. Add water to it. Add some of my season. Even though it's already seasoned, but it ain't gonna hurt to put a little bit more. So I'm watering it down. So I've got a little bit of salt. Throw some salt in this joint. So the salt. I'm gonna throw these red peppers in here. Cause I kinda like my stuff got a little bit of kick to it. So I got the red peppers in here. Onion powder. I will be adding more water to this because I gotta cook my noodles. Alright, we got the garlic powder. Black pepper. Hold on, y'all. And I got one more. I'm gonna add a little bit of oregano in there. So I'm gonna add a little bit more water to it. I gotta put my egg noodles in there, let it boil, let the noodles get soft. Add my vegetables. And matter of fact, forgot. While it's boiling, I need to add my turkey to it too. I forgot. So, like I told y'all, I saved the bone, saved the whole bone. So I'm gonna cook this, let all the meat boil off. Take a little piece of this turkey. And I got some more meat scraps left over. Let me throw this in that bad boy. So I added some more scraps to that. I'm gonna stir that thing up a little bit. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring this to a boil. So I'm gonna add some more water to this. Make sure it's covered. Make sure it's covered. Bring it to a boil. I'm gonna boil it all the way till the meat fall off, all the bone all the way, and it's gonna hit. I'm telling y'all. Now, since my broth, my soup is starting to get a little bit hot, my liquid, now I'm gonna add my vegetables to it. I didn't want to throw my vegetables in too early because I didn't want to overcook. So I was putting them in there now. Celery and carrots. Celery and carrots going in there. Add my onions. You're really gonna bring that flavor out now, but the vegetables cooking in there. Remember, taste it to make sure how the flavor tastes. You want to add more seasoning. Seems like I need to add more seasoning to mine. Throw a little bit more salt, pepper in there. That's about it. So we almost there. So now I'm gonna take the big bone out. Take the big bone out. I got basically all the meat off of this joint. God, look at that. I'm gonna still take the last little bit of meat. I still got some meat on there, but I'm gonna take most of that off. I'm gonna get all this out of here. Boiled it, got most of the meat off of it. Any other thing in here? If it's still a little bit bones in there, it ain't hurt nothing. It's gonna give it flavor. Next up, I'll be adding the egg noodles to it. Bring it back to a boil. Put the egg noodles right here. Put the egg noodles in there. Bring it to a boil. And then make magic. Bring it to a boil. Let the noodles get soft. Don't overcook the noodles. Maybe it probably gonna take them about 15-20 minutes to cook the noodles. Then you got a finished product. Nice leftover soup from Thanksgiving. Leftover turkey soup from Thanksgiving. So it's finally coming to a boil. I wish I could smell it, man. That joint is right. Enough meat, not a whole bunch of meat. Meat and noodles. Noodles good. Like I said, you don't want to overcook your noodles. And you honestly, you probably can stop it from cooking a little bit earlier. You don't want your noodles overcooked. That's one thing about having a bad soup is when your noodles overcook and it be mushy. Same thing with your vegetables. I don't want my vegetables overcooked. I want my vegetables still have a little bit of crunch to it, have flavor. So this soup is basically done. Let me see. Let me see what these noodles looking like. Let me see what the noodles taste like. Right, perfect. All done. Leftover turkey soup for the win. Go ahead, you know what I'm saying? Stop throwing away y'all turkey and use it as leftovers, man. We waste too much food in America. We need to go ahead and eat everything. You feel me? Man, like, share, subscribe, man. Peace out.